I feel like this framing isn't correct though. Because you can't, like, I guess we can have Zachariah in here. Look, Zachariah, hey, it doesn't get the focus on your face though, it's my face. I'm talking. She's like, wow, it's me, guys.
It's me, I'm so cute. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's me, Zachariah. Here to play with my cards. You guys come to join me playing my cards?
With my daddy. Say I am Raya and I'm playing cards with my daddy. Say subscribe.
Bye. Okay, we gotta start out really. Hey, oh my god, stop shoving cards in the fucking box. We gotta start really close and whisper. Because we can't yell anymore because Taylor hates me. What's up with your friends? We're back in a video. Taylor is watching me. So I can't yell. I just have to whisper. ASMR. It does. ASMR. Taylor calls me daddy. And we are here with unboxing of the day. Guess what it is? Because I don't know what it is. Oh my god, I forgot. I forgot. Hey, I'm unboxing.
No.
We're here with the unboxing. Guess what it is? Because I'm not gonna tell you, but the title will tell you, so you know. I feel like this is one of the most. There's a bunch of cards in here because Azariah hates me. But it's an Apple Pencil. Oh god, the glare is so bad. We have a problem where it's focusing on Azariah's face. It's an Apple Pencil 2, also known as the number 2 Apple Pencil, not the Apple number 2 pencil.
These are my cards. Yay, good job. Stop now.
I really like that it's whatchamacalls, the way they have it, or the way they have it labeled. It's not it's an Apple logo pencil, not an Apple pencil. I find that very enjoyable. The title of this video is not check out Azariah playing with cards. It's fucking. It's iPad and Apple Pencil unboxing. iPad and Apple Pencil 2 unboxing. So this isn't a new iPad, guys. This is a refurbished iPad. That's why it has this box that says iPad Pro only. It doesn't have the picture of the iPad Pro, and it says certified refurbished. Right there. I really didn't expect it to come like this.
You mean like saran wrap to it?
It's a cardboard, yes. Wow, it's not. It's a lot lighter. Honey. You want to feel this? Feel how light this box is.
I know it was light because the box was light.
Wow. Crazy.
My box felt
I'm really hoping it doesn't bend because I got the 2018 iPad Pro 11-inch. I got the 11-inch specifically over the 12.9-inch because I was afraid of it bending. So I'm like, logically, if the thing is smaller, it's harder to bend, right? It's like a little stick. It's like when you try to snap a little stick, it's really hard, but when you try to snap a big stick, or like a long stick, it's way easier. Okay, let's listen. Bring it extra close. That's right. You better not ruin this moment.
What's that?
You better not ruin this moment for everyone.
What's that?
Oh, that's not as enjoyable as I thought it would be. Ah, that was really disappointing.
I'm so unsatisfied.
But I feel like that's not what the exciting part would have been anyways. Should I actually... Oh, you know, I feel like the way you do an unboxing video is you do the most exciting thing that they're here for last.
No, I'm upset.
What
How
are you
gonna do that to me?
No, don't even touch it.
I can't!
You know what I mean? Like how they always go like...
That's why you skip to the end.
Then they skip to the end. You skip to the end. Stop listening. So we're going to start with the Apple Pencil 2 actually. It's not labeled anywhere as Apple Pencil 2, but you just know it's 2 because it doesn't have the dumbass lightning connector on top. What?
Show them mine.
Like,
wait,
oh.
It's over there. In the box. The black box.
This? Like someone else's iPad. This is an anonymous person's iPad. I don't know whose it is. It's not like this, guys. Lightning connector in all its glory. I mean, it's pretty cool that it's magnetic though. At least you have a magnetic cover, so you don't lose it. That's right. If you knock over this camera, you're gonna stab the 2 Apple Pencils. Okay, now back to the Apple Pencil 2. I feel like it's just like, you know, I didn't realize this is how Apple products came now. With this tab that just helps you rip it, but it's not as satisfying. It's kind of upsetting, you know? This is never coming out. Oh, it's a pulley pull. That's why. I really appreciate their quality boxing. Like their quality box design, it gets me every time. It's like a, you know, oh wow. Ooh, ah, fancy. Okay, let's see if this is what we're waiting for. Kind of. Ooh, okay. The best way I could describe how it feels would be, no, it's not like a pencil. It's like if you have an Apple charger cable, it feels like the cable. That's the best way I could describe it.
Wow, yours has like a whole ass groovy.
Well, it's flat, so it can lay flat on the iPad because it's magnetic.
Wow.
But you can also tap the side. That's a side tap thing, so you can erase and stuff.
Yes.
Is there a? Do we have a sticker? No, we do not have a sticker.
Do you have extra tip?
I don't.
I do, motherfucker.
Or do I? No, I do not.
Haha.
Wow, that's fucked, guys. You didn't give us a fucking extra tip.
Haha.
Fucking dicks. I'm kind of like, I'm Taylor Marie. Plus side of the Apple Pencil 1, it comes with an extra tip and a charging adapter now, so it doesn't look as stupid. That's probably an update. But I mean, this is some. This feels lighter than your pencil. You know what I mean?
I don't know. Give me mine, give me yours. The texture's different. The color's different too. Like mine's yellowy. Ooh, yours is so much better than this like shiny.
Glossy. It's like, I like the matteness over the glossy.
Yeah.
That's right.
I don't know if it's necessary later.
I know yours feels solider. Mine feels like it could be hollow. Now we got to go to the next thing that isn't the iPad. The iPad's accessories. If you guys can't tell, we're on a bed. That's why you guys are so shaky. But watch this. Ooh, look at this box design.
It's gonna fucking flop down so hard. And your iPad's gonna fly out. Wow, what color is it?
And now we pull that out of the way and continue on to the accessories. Look at this. If we don't get fucking stickers in here, I'm gonna lose it. I'm returning it and being like, give me fucking stickers. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna return it because I got it as a refurbished thing, so it's cheaper. But I'm really hoping for a fucking sticker. I think I see a sticker. I really don't want to. Oh, there are stickers. I was like, I really don't want to have to rip out this fucking box to get these stickers because I saw them.
Oh, those are nice stickers.
Yeah, I don't know how to put them on now. My car. I don't know, because it's like, I usually put stickers on my laptop, but it's like, why would I put Apple stickers on an Apple fucking laptop? This just seems extra. But look, I have a USB Type-C charging block, along with the USB Type-C charging cable. That's it. Simple, elegant, beautiful. Ooh! Ooh! Because I got a cellular version, it comes with a SIM card remover. Pretty useful. Hopefully I don't lose that. You want to see this? So, oh, this is just basically explaining gestures to you, because it's the first iPad without a home button. Yes.
Wow, I wish I had that.
It's the first generation iPad to have no home button. So I guess we've reached that point, right, where we just have to blow our load. What? I feel like this is what it kind of like blows people's load, like it's just like blowing people's loads when they whatchamacalls. Actually, wow, I'm kind of digging it. Guys, you wanna?
Are you gonna let me draw on it?
Maybe. What do I get in exchange?
Nothing. A nice big hug.
see if this is what we're waiting for. That sound is what we were waiting for. Ooh. Ooh.
She's thick. Wow, look at her camera. She's thick.
That's one of the downsides is like if you put it on a flat thing, there's a little bit of wobble. But you can see up top.
Not ideal for drawing.
Up top, you can see the notch built into the notch. Oh, it's so nice. I really wish I had my screen protector came in already, but no. Let's see if it turns on. Oh, it's turning on. I lied.
Go Shishi. Come on then. Hurry up.
Why are you just taking it over?
That's okay. Go Shishi, then you can put this one on. Go Shishi. Shish. In
Then
the
you can have
bathroom.
big boy underwears.
On the toilet.
English. United States. Quick start. Where's my cellular? Interesting.
Well, mine didn't make me do that. Or did it? I don't remember.
Ooh, it's 86% charged. Wow.
Oh, that's pretty good.
I think it's because I was holding on the button too long. I think you're only supposed to hurt it now for a short amount of time.
Can you feel it?
I fall in love just a little bit.
Ooh, it's so light. It feels breakable.
That's why people worry about bending it.
Like really breakable.
We're slightly.
What's these for? Those little 3 dots back there.
It's to connect to the cases with the keyboards.
Oh, okay. Here you go. Wow, it's very scary.
It's asking me to set up Face ID, but I don't do that. Don't use passcode either. We live life on the edge. A quarter mile at a time, like Mark Sinclair. I generally know. Welcome to iPad. Swipe up to get started. Wow, beautiful. Okay. All of its iPadiness. Fucking patty cake baker's man in this bitch. My honey's like, stop swearing, but it's like, if you follow me, I feel like you know I'm not being truthful to myself if I don't swear. Wow, automatically connected to the Wi-Fi because of the quick setup. How about it? Okay, I don't know what else to do, so this is done. When I said I was done, I lied. We're gonna connect the pencil to the thing on the side. Right there, that connector. Let's see. Said I'm happy for you in all that I am, even if I can't understand. Wow, that was beautiful. I literally just connected it to the magnetic part like this, and then it just popped up and it was like connect. Ooh, honey, you gotta experience this. You gotta fucking experience this pencil connecting to this.
Wow, good magnets.
Oh fuck, honey, look at this. Look at this. It's like a fucking AirPods where it goes. Shows you the battery. It's kind of beautiful.